Hello everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, the weekly show all about thrifting and garage sale hauls, mainly around art supplies and toys. This week we have a haul that I've never done before. These aren't really objects I'm interested in collecting. We have a trash pack haul. This garbage can thing on wheels is filled with like the smaller, I guess they were blind bags or something, the trash packs. It's filled with smaller ones. I mostly bought this. I bought this for $1 at a garage sale. I mostly bought this because I want to file both this and the stuff inside down and paint them and coat them so that they can be more realistic garbage cans for dollhouses. So this is one I did. This isn't a trash pack. I think the one I made out of a trash pack before is either sold or I just can't find it. I don't remember. But I'm going to be turning them into sort of doll furniture that is a little more realistically colored, which is why I bought this. I'm not sure if everything inside will be usable, but I will rehome whatever I don't use. So that's the reason I bought it anyways. And I guess it'll be interesting if any of you are interested in these toys. You can maybe teach me about them, because I know nothing about them. For one, I think this container is really cool. It's on wheels. It's shaped like an actual dumpster. I believe that if I took it apart and painted it and filed down a little bit of the stuff on the top, I might actually leave some of the things, like the little bugs, pretty cute. But if I filed it down and painted it as well, it could be a great doll prop for 12-inch dolls, which is mostly what the miniatures I make are for, although I do make miniatures for all different sizes. Yeah, so I do think like the whole container itself is pretty cool to make into something else, as well as some of the things inside. So let's get this open. I think, well, it fits on camera, so I'm just going to take them out. So the first thing I see in here is this awesome large, like chubby garbage can. It's actually transparent. It's got a little thing inside. It's actually transparent, but I think that that's like a great shape and a great size. And if I filed down this here, I might again leave these and paint them. On my last trash pack repaint I painted these in like colors that made sense to them. But yeah, I might file down some of it and make it into a more realistic trash can. I think it's a great size. It's very cute. Very, very cute. So that's good. That's one piece I can actually use. Inside we have this. I think it's supposed to be like an egg, which is a little disappointing because I was hoping for more just garbage cans. It's also empty. There's no, I guess they're minifigures of some sort. I don't think I've ever had trash packs in a video before. Don't remember. I don't know how I came across getting one. Okay. So first we have, okay, so this is like a little coffin. That's actually pretty cute. That could probably be really cute if you repainted it. It is a neon, like yellow, almost green coffin, and there's nothing inside. Oh, there's bones at the bottom. That's actually really cute. Okay. I would probably repaint this because that's really, really adorable. And then we have one of these small trash pack trash cans. My lighting was really hating it. It's like, they're really, really shiny. They're really reflective. Oh, and there's a little guy inside. I wasn't sure if we'd get any of the little creatures, so I guess this is what they look like. This guy's a green little caterpillar. He looks like he's been chewing on something blue. He's kind of like a rubbery texture, and he could fit probably on a pencil. So that's the actual figures. That's one of them. And then here's the little trash can again. This is exactly like the one that I painted before, and the reason I bought this. It's basically a smaller version of this big one here. I didn't even know until I bought this that they made ones this size, but I think that's really cool. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll keep hanging on to him and on any other small ones, or if they will be rehomed. Oh, okay, so here we have, this is like another smaller dumpster shape, but it is shaped like a dumpster. I'm not sure if I'll be repainting this one, but it's interesting. It would be a lot easier to file down than these ones are, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I repaint that one. I'm not sure. There's nothing inside of it. Alright, we have another egg. I'm calling these eggs. If they aren't eggs, you can let me know what they are. They look like eggs to me. I'm just gonna open them because I didn't feel like there was a character in that. I didn't know until I opened it. Okay, so this one's empty as well. These eggs will definitely just be rehomed or whatever they are. Here's another coffin. It's the same color. Sort of translucent, nothing inside. Hopefully we get some more little guys for you guys to look at. Here's another one of those trash cans. This one's also translucent. There's nothing in it though. And another one. And again, nothing in it. Oh, we might only get one little guy. That's okay, I bought it for the trash cans anyways. Here is a blue trash can. It is it the same? No, it's a little bit smaller. It's sort of an in-between size. So that's interesting. That's good. I like having all the different sizes. So it's like an in-between size. I can definitely use this one. It'll look really cute when it's fixed up. Oh, and I think there's someone in here. There are two someones in here. Okay, the first guy is this guy. I think he has a bit of an upset stomach. He actually kind of looks like a pile of vomit that's vomiting himself. So that's kind of gross. Not really my kinds of toys. I get how some people like them, but they aren't really for me. And then this guy, I'm not sure what he's supposed to be either. I'm really not sure, so you guys can let me know if you know what this is supposed to be, or what any of them are supposed to be. Again, they're really like squishy and rubbery. They're actually a really great texture. And that's the inside. So it's good. I have 5 little trash cans at least so far. Then there's some more of these translucent orange ones. Another empty, and another empty. I can see how these would get lost a lot more easily than their containers though, so that's probably why so many of these are empty. We have another one of these eggs. It again is empty. Another coffin. Whoa! And it is also empty. And yet another coffin. Whoa! Also empty. I have to open them because you can't really feel from the container if there's something in it or not. They're pretty light little figures, even though they're translucent. Like I would guess this one's also empty. Yeah, it is. So got a whole bunch of those. And another orange garbage can. And another coffin. There's a whole bunch of them. We're getting near the bottom here. We have, oh, what's this? This is not trash bag related. This looks like a Lego piece of some sort. I'm not sure what that's off of, but it definitely looks like Lego. I have a bin of Lego. I'll stick that in the bin. Not sure what that is. It'll go back there. It's not related. Alright, we have 2 more of these little garbage cans, which is awesome. I'm so happy that I have like so many of these now. I have enough that I probably won't need to buy any in the future, or not for a really long time, so that's great. Then we have, whoa, another egg. Whoa. So 4 eggs in total, and another one of these little orange ones. Is there anything else left in here? Oh, we have one more, and that's it. That's the inside. That's the bottom. That's the inside. There you go. It's nice and big and like really roomy. It fit a lot of stuff. And the last thing inside is just another one of these coffins. I believe it's also empty. Yes, it is also empty. So, out of our little haul, I'm pretty happy. This was a $1 haul from a garage sale. We got the big container that looks like a big garbage bin, and I really love that. I'm going to change it into something that looks realistic for a Barbie to use. We got 4 of these eggs, which I will not be using. They will just be given away. We got 3 of these little trash pack, what do you call them, monsters? I don't know, figurines. That are rubbery. The little caterpillar's kind of cute. The other 2 I'm not so sure about, but they'll probably also be rehomed. This random Lego piece. But then we got 9 of these tiny trash cans, 1 medium one, 1 big one, which is what I was really looking to get out of this, so I'm like really happy with all these. a little miniature trash bin, and then 4, 5, 6, 7 coffins. I'm pretty happy. I think that if you were collecting the actual, like, minifigures, you wouldn't, you would be disappointed in this haul, even though it was just $1. But since I'm specifically looking for the packaging they come in, these little containers, since I'm specifically looking for those so that I can turn it into something more like this, I'm pretty happy with this haul overall. I'm really happy because I won't need to buy trash packs again for the future. Unless you guys really want to see some and I find them for really cheap, then I might pick them up. I have a big Squinkies haul that I've been holding on to for a while that I haven't made a video of. They remind me kind of the Squinkies, so if you guys want me to do a video of that, let me know and I might do one. Aside from that, I hope you guys are having an awesome day wherever you are. Good luck in your future thrifting adventures, and keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!